Morning. I've come to Broomey Croft today, just for a change really. I've only been here once before and it was okay. A lot bigger than what I originally thought it was. So I'm going to meet Roger. Roger's on his way up and we're just going to have a walk around. I'm not going to be doing much talking, but what I will do is I'll show you the photos I took and any little bits of video footage I take. And if there's a good image at the end of the day, I might show you how I edit that, just to drag the video out and bore you a bit more. But that's the plan, so we'll see what happens. Morning. Look, the sun's out. I come over Ladywalk today because it's not that far from my house and I'm not really in the mood for walking far, so I just wanted to kind of hang around the first bird eyed to see if I can see the kingfisher. I've come out with the a6iv on the teleconverter and the 200 to 600mm lens because it gives me a bit more reach. And here at Ladywalk I've found that nothing's really close, it's always quite far away. I brought the other camera just in case, so fingers crossed might see the kingfisher today. Do I say this every week? I feel like I do. But I think this is going to be a real short video. I've been into the first hide where the kingfisher has been seen, and I've managed to get a photo of it myself before there. But there's a guy in there, he's been in there an hour and a half, and he said no, it hasn't shown. But it's probably showing now as I've just left. I went up Middleton Lakes this week a couple of times with Roger, and we went to see if we could see the barn owl because we got lucky. One day this week or last week, I can't remember, we got lucky, so we went up again to see if we could see the barn owl. Managed to get a couple of shots, but they weren't nothing special, they were too far away really. And in a bit of a blind panic I just took a load of photos without really dialing in my settings. But also I saw a bullfinch and a kestrel. Well, a bullfinch, first time I've ever seen one. Again, I didn't really get a good shot of that, but I got a shot. I got some good ones of the kestrel, but I'll show you those photos from last week at Middleton Lakes. really don't rate this place. I always find it really quiet. All that's there are cormorants, I've just been up to the hide on the hill behind me. I don't know if you can see it. Anything's a bit too far away, even with this, and I'm getting like a decent zoom. Still not close enough though. I did see a couple of grebes passing the weed to each other, which would have been a good shot if I was a bit closer, but no, too far away. I wasn't going to walk round, I was just going to kind of start the first hide, but as it's so dead, and I do want a couple of shots because it's a nice day and there's got to be something. I've got to be able to get at least one good shot today. So I'm going to have a slow walk round, I think, see if I can see anything else. Well, I'm out again, third time in a week, but I've had terrible luck this week with photography. First day was dead, and I didn't really get much. Second day was absolutely terrible, and the photos I took turned out absolute shit. And today I've come out again, and it's really quiet. Things are picking up. I've managed to get a couple of shots of a sedge warbler and also a pheasant in flight, which I think should be okay. But apart from that, it's really quiet, and I haven't really managed to get anything else. But I'm just heading back now, so if I come across anything else, I'll put them in. But I haven't really got much else to say. I was going to do a video on my camera settings, a more in-depth one, because I still keep getting asked what settings I use, but I wanted to kind of back that up with some good photos, and being that it's been absolutely terrible, I didn't want to just put crap ones on, because you'd be thinking, well, I'm not using them settings. One thing I wanted to say that I haven't said in a while is, for all those new people that are pretty new to subscribing to my channel, or if you're watching this video for the first time, I'm not one of those photographers that just put their best photos on of the day. I'll show you my shit. I'll show you photos that aren't that good, that, you know, that I took, that I thought could have been alright but turned out crap. I'm not ashamed to show you that, and I do it to kind of show you that every day is not a great day, and you may only get one shot, you may even get no shots like I did yesterday. I never got nothing. So if you see a photo of mine on my videos and you think, well, I don't like that, it's crap, it's crap, yeah, that's right, it probably is crap, but you get lucky and get some good ones. For all the other people that do bird photography, have you noticed it's really quiet? It's I'm sure it's normally picked up by now. The lack of small birds is really surprising me. I mean, even in the garden at home, I've seen very little, and I've got like 14 bird feeders, and normally it's quite busy, but it's just been like almost non-existent. Just finding it really strange. I thought it'd start picking up a bit by now. Don't know. If anyone knows the answer, let me know. I think I just got my best shot I've ever got of a water rail. They're normally way too far away for me, but this one was, well, it's still quite a while away, but it's the closest I've ever managed to take a photo of one. Whether it'll come out any good, I don't know. Just got a couple of photos of some dunnocks, don't know if they're any good. And I've just been told there's some Cetis warblers down here somewhere. To be honest, I don't know what I'm looking for, but let's go and have a look.